students, today I am going to teach question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Now in this question we have write all the factors of the following numbers. So we will have to write the factors of these numbers. Now what are factors? Factors means when you divide the number by any number, we get 0 as remainder. Like here, if I take 24 and if I take 6 to divide, then what will be 6 4s are 24. Here we can see that we don't get here we have 0 as remainder, so we can say that. Or if I take 4 to divide, then we will get 6 as question. That means no remainder left. So whenever we will divide any number by any number, like here 24 is dividing we have divided 24 by 6 and we have got 0 as remainder, so we can say that 6 is a factor of 24. Similarly here also we'll start from 1, and always remember, like there is two fixed factors, means whatever number will be given, whether it is 17, 18, whatever number will be given, there will be two fixed factors. One is 1 and number itself. Like here if I take 17, so 17 can be divided by 1 and the number itself means 17. So at least two factors will be there. Whatever number is there, at least two factors will be there. Now let's start with 24. So here we'll start from 1. Now 24 divided by 1 is 24, right? So 1 24s are 24. Now these are the two factors of 24. Now we'll check whether we get more factors or not. Now after 1, 2 comes. 24 divided by 2 is 12. That means 2 12s are 24. Okay. Now after 2, 3 comes. Now 24 divided by 3 is 8. So 3 8s are 24. Now let's check with 4. Now 4 6 are 24. So that means this are all the factors of 24. Now after 4, 5 comes. Now 24 cannot be divided by 5 and 6 is already there, right? So these are the factors of 24. So we will write 1 when you have divided by 1. So we have got 24, we'll put at the end. So after this we have got 2. So we will write 2 at first. Now 2 12s are 24, 12 we will put at the second last. Okay. Now then 3 comes. So 3 8s are 24. So here we will put 8. So this way we will come and we will come from the end. Okay. We are coming reverse. Okay. Now here after 3 4. Now 4 6 are 24. So here we will put 6. So after 4 5 is there and 24 cannot be divided by 5. So factors of 24 will be this 1 to 24. These numbers are the factors of 24. Now coming to B part. Here we have 15. Now we'll start from 1 again. 1 15s are 15. Means 15 divided by 1 is 15. Now so these are the two factors of 15. Now after 1 2 comes, which and 15 cannot be divided by 2. So we'll take 3 because in 3's table 15 comes. So 3 5s are 15, right? So these are the factors of 15. Now after 3 4 comes and 15 cannot be divided by 4 and 5 is already there. So that means these are the factors of 15. So how we will write this? We'll start from 1 and whatever we are getting, that we will put at the end. And then after 1 we have got 3 and whatever we will got whatever we have got here, we will put at the second last. So this way we will have to write the number. Okay, write the factors of any number. Okay. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So this way we will go and this way we will come. Okay. Now next number is 21. Now see, we'll start from 1. 21 divided by 1 is 21. Now after 1, so these two are the factors of 21. Now after 1 2 comes. Now 21 cannot be divided by 2, right? So we'll take 3 because after 2 3 comes. Now 3 in 3's table 21 comes. So how to write that? 3 7s are 21. So these are the two factors of 21. Now after 3 4 comes, which 21 cannot be divided by 4. Then 5 21 also cannot be divided by 5. then 6 also not possible, and 7 is already there. So that means the factors of 21 are 1, 21, 3, 7. So these are the factors of 21. Now in the D part we have 27. Again we will have to find the factors of 27. So see here what we have done. At first we have taken 1. So here also we will take 1 at first. So 1, 27s are 27. So these are the factors of 27. Now after 1, 2 comes, and 27 cannot be divided by 2. So after 2, 3 is there. So in 3's table 27 comes, because 3 9s are 27. So these are the factors of 27. Now we'll check whether we have missed any number or not. So after 3, 4 is there. So 27 cannot be divided by 4. Then 5, 27 cannot be divided by 5. 6 also is not possible. 7 also is not possible. In 8's table also 27 doesn't come. And then 9 is there. That means these are the only factors of 27. So we will write 1, 27 ones are 27. So we'll put at the end. Then 3, and here we'll put 9. So these are the factors of 27. Now coming to E part, we have 12. Again 1, 12s are 12. So these are the factors of 12. Then after 1, 2 comes. 12 divided by 2 is 6, because 2 6 are 12. So these are the factors of 12. Again after 2, 3 comes. Now 3 in 3's table, we'll check whether 12 comes or not. So it's 3 4s are 12. So these are the factors of 12. After 3, 4 is already there. Then 5, 12 cannot be divided by 5, and 6 is already there. That means these are the factors of 12. So we will write 1, and whatever we have got, that we will put here. Then we have 2, 2 6 are 12, that we will put here. Okay. Now then 3, and 3 4s are 12. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. Now next we have 20. We will have to find the factors of 20. Again 1, 20s are 20. Then after 1, so these two are the factors of 20. Now after 1, 2 comes. So 20 2s are 2 10s are 20. So these are the factors of 20. Then after 2, 3 comes, which 20 cannot be divided by 3. Then 4 comes. Now in 4's table, see, if you check, 4 5s are 20. So these are the factors of 20. Now after 5, 6 come, then 20 cannot be divided by 6. Then 7, 20 cannot be divided by 7. 20 cannot be divided by 8. 20 cannot be divided by 9. And then 10 is already there. That means we have taken all the numbers. We have taken all the factors of 20. Now how to write this? So we'll write 1, and then 20, then 2. 2 10s are 20. We'll put at the second last. Then we have 4. 4 5s are 20. So these are the factors of 20. Now coming to the next part, we have 18. Now we will have to find the factors of 18. So here 1 18s are 18. So these are the factors of 18. Again after 1, 2 comes. Now 2 9s are 18. So these are the factors of 18. Now after 2, 3 comes. So 3 6 are 18. So these are the factors of 18. After 6, now here see, after 3, 4 comes. Now 18 cannot be divided by 4. Then 18 cannot be divided by 5, and 6 is already there. 6 3s are 18. So 6 is already there. That means these are the factors of 18. So we will write 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So these are the factors of 18. Now coming to H part, we have 23. Now 23, if you take 1, 23s are 23. Now after 1, then 2 comes, and 23 cannot be divided by 2, 3, 4. It cannot be divided. Only this number has 2 factors. Okay. So 23 has only 2 factors, which is 1 and 23, because 23 doesn't come in any numbers table. Okay. So these are the factors of 23. Now in the I part we have 36. We will have to find the factors of 36. Now we'll start from 1 again. So 1 36 are 36. Again after, so these two are the factors of 36. Now after 1 2 comes, 2 18s are 36. Okay, so these are the factors of 36. Then after 2 3 comes, 3 12s are 36. Okay, so these are the factors of 36. Again after 3 4 comes, 4 9s are 36. Now after 4 5 is there, so these are the factors. Now 36 cannot be divided by 5 6 7 8 and 9 is already there. That means you have taken all the numbers. So these are the factors of 36. So we will write 1 36 are 36, then 2 18s are 36, then 3 12s are 36 and 4 9s are 36. So these are the factors of 36. So this way we will find the factors. So factor means when we divide the number by any number, there is no remainder left. That means which divides evenly. And one thing you have to do, like you have to remember, like here only these two numbers always will be there in any number. Whatever number, like whatever number is there and you are finding the factors of those particular number, this one and number itself must be there. Okay, so this is all about factors. Thank you, students.